Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And today I'm here with another case study regarding Google Merchant Center account suspension. I know it's very hard and very difficult for someone who has got their account suspended. Your Google Merchant Center account can be suspended for various reasons, including misrepresentation, which is a very common. There are others as well, but there is another famous as well, which is website needs improvement. Here was such a case study, and because it took us a lot of time, so I like to be thankful to my client who was patient and who trusted enough us to get the account restored. But because restoration is a tough procedure and there are many factors, and Google is adding new and new factors every other day, which is why it becomes very difficult for an ordinary person to get it restored, which is why we offer such services, including restoring your Google Merchant Center account, managing your Google Ads shopping campaign, Facebook ads, Bing ads, SEO doing stuff, even for a Google Ads account suspension, we help. So, in case if you need our services, the details are in the description of this video and how you can reach us. So, without wasting any further time, let's get started on the case I have today, which I'm going to show you. Okay, so you can see that this was an initial, when the case was given to us. It was website or online store needs improvement. During the review you requested on July 7, Google found this to be still an issue. Make sure you meet the requirement before you request another review from July 14. Okay, they blamed us that our website should have a domain name that matches upload domain. Your entire website should not have any broken links. Your website should not contain any placeholder images or text. The product details and categories should match those that you provided in your product data. Your website shouldn't contain generic information and shouldn't miss crucial information about products. So this was an initial case which was given to us. But apart from the initial case, there are many factors which are not even being mentioned over here. For instance, there is a huge working done on Google Search Console, reports.txt file, improving the content, improving the structure of the website. By content means no plagiarized content, human written content. Broker links was another thing as well. Some coding errors, coding issues which ordinary person do not know much about. We have to go through over there. We also looked on the competitor websites, similar competitor websites who got their account approved. So we had to go over through them to look around their pages, doing a comparison stuff. We also thoroughly looked on the account. We looked on account information, settings, delivery stuff, payment stuff, every page, privacy policy, everything. There was a lot of, and that even for our staff, because it's teamwork, and for our staff we even had a discussion many times with each other regarding what could be the core issue. And we have a huge checklist for Google Merchant Center, but even then we had to go through this can be, this can be, this can be. There are so many things to look around. And then we also had one fail attempt, and last time recently, the request for the review was initially disapproved, and we got it restored because the request was being done on the supported device. So which is why the support team helped us to get it back up and running. And because we are a Google partner company, we have a dedicated manager to get it back. So it was a tough job for anyone, including the client, including for us. And you have to be patient with all this procedure, because there are so many departments. It takes a lot of stuff, and to get it restored. So now let me show you the account, and then I can show you further things as well. So now we are in the account, and now you can see that the products have started to be approved. It was not even it was even got disapproved for free listings. Even there are certain scenarios where your products are approved for free listings, yet your account is still suspended. You can see the pattern over here on how long the account was suspended. And you can see over here right now you started seeing the active items as 19, because the account recently got approved. So you can see that active items were 0 before till 26, and now you can see that 5 items, then 19, and slowly gradually it restored the status of the account. So even now you can see that the account is not perfect, but if you go to the diagnostics or item issues, I can show you further that it still has few things over here that they believe it had incorrect identifier GTN, and there are some other issues as well on the account. But still, the thing is that the account issue, you can see that the uh, items are being now startedly being approved again. And if you look on the account issues, there is no issue, and the account is no longer suspended. If so, if people ask that even with item issues how you can get the account restored, yes, we can do it. And you can see such example over here. So this was a long list of periods to follow up. There were so many checks, so many quality checks, and a huge follow up, which was the result of my team efforts, who did, who worked and had to get the account restored. So I'm very thankful to them that they supported me in this project. And it's always the teamwork. So the client also needed appreciation. But there were so many compliant factors, and looking on the competitors, that it was difficult for anyone to get it up and running. So yeah, in case if you need such services, the details are in the description on how you can reach us. Once again, thank you for watching this case study, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Thank you, take care, and bye bye.